Hi everybody, this is Miss Gilding. Today we continue our journey through the Sesame Street ABC Storybook. Our story today is about letter... Oops! It's a mystery I'm not supposed to tell you. If you promise that you won't tell them I told you, it's about the letter D. The case of the missing letter. I'm supposed to talk about the next letter, but it's missing. How will we ever know what it is? Fear not, Ernest. I, Sherlock Hemlock, the world's greatest detective, will solve the mystery of the missing letter by looking for clues. D is for donkey. Look, Mr. Hemlock, donkeys. Not now, Ernest. I'm looking for clues. Now let's see. The last letter was C. Duck begins with D. Mr. Hemlock, ducks! Ernest, please, I must think. Maybe there is something in this room that begins with the missing letter. Mr. Hemlock, dogs, dinosaurs, deer, dolphins. Ernest, close that door. I cannot look for clues to the missing letter with all of these donkeys, ducks, dogs, dinosaurs, deer, and dolphins. Aha! That's it! What? Donkeys, ducks, dogs, dinosaurs, deer, and dolphins? No, the door. Door starts with D, so D must be the missing letter. Sherlock Hemlock has done it again. D is for door. Dynamite. Please remember to have your parents subscribe so you never miss a new story. And as always, I miss you, I love you, and I'll speak to you soon.